It's IBC 2023 and we're on the Anysonus booth in Hall 7 and I'm joined by Agatha. Hi Agatha, how are you?
Hi Simon, nice to meet you.
So it's great to see you for the first time. We haven't spoken before. We're talking camera tracking, I believe. Tell us what we're looking at here and what you're talking to people about at the show.
Yes, of course. Let me introduce. We have provided the entry-level camera products for the beginners who are interested to start his XR or VP production business here. So, for our kit, there are two versions, and one is called the standard kit. For the standard kit, it includes one binocular visual sensor and one XR 3D host data box and one gear encoder with the lens servo controller too, and this is our standard kit.
Okay.
But if you just use the regular cameras, you just this standard kit will be enough for you. And if you use the professional broadcasting cameras, for example the B4 lens, we recommend you to our studio kit. In our studio kit, you don't need the gear encoders. You just use the B4 lens data box to get the camera, to get the lens data. So these are two versions. And
okay, so it's sat on a rig here. So this is your technology in front of us here.
yeah, this is the one camera one, and we also have the camera two.
Okay.
And I can tell you how to use our kit to do the camera tracking.
Okay, should we see how it works?
Yeah. So we just put the binocular sensor on the camera to capture the data of the camera moving position. For example, the rotation, pan, tilt, coordinate. And then we just put on the gear encoder on the camera and with the lens controller to control the gear encoder to get the lens data. And we just use one cable to connect with the XR 3D host data box to transport the data, those data to the host box. And the host box will, because the host box has the built-in XR 3D protocol, it will transport to the XR server. And in the for generally speaking, we know that for the XR production software, creators love to use the Xsymmetry or Pixtop or disguise. Here we just use Xsymmetry, for example here.
Okay.
And when the data comes into the Xsymmetry software, the Xsymmetry will combine with the scenarios rendered by the Unreal Engine, and this data will synchronize the position of the virtual camera and the real camera, and then in this way you will get the image of the real camera and the virtual camera be tracking in real time and integrated seamlessly. So after the use this camera kit, you can start to do your XR production.
Okay.
Yes. So for this standard kit, we just recommend for the starters who would like to start his business for XR production. For example, the indie studio or YouTuber, TikToker. But if you are broadcasting cameras, we recommend you to our studio cameras, especially lens data, especially when you already have your traditional green screen environment, you want to upgrade it into a LED environment, we strongly recommend you to our studio kit.
Absolutely. And is all of this available now and shipping now?
Yeah, of course. We are in stock. We just for the demo one, we will, after the exhibition, it will be have a group order. So we just have the larger numbers for sale.
Cool. And I think we're going to do another video now about the operation and how it actually works, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so cool. So in the meantime, if people aren't at IBC, where can they find more information on your products?
Yeah, for information, maybe you can just, if you are in Amsterdam, just come to our booth. The booth number is Hall 7, point A48. And you can just go to our website, www.anysonus.com, and you can directly email us about the info@anysonus.com.
Fantastic. Agatha, thank you very much indeed for that. Do check out the website for everything they do on this amazing camera tracking for beginners.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
beginners.
For beginners. Yeah.
Perfect. We've all got to start somewhere. That's fantastic. And of course, we will be doing another video here as well. So look out for that, where Agatha will be showing us how it actually works and what it can do for you. For everything else that we're doing at IBC, check out kitplus.com.